If you want to get started with Claude AI quickly and confidently, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through the exact first steps, how to create your account, how to start your first chat, and how to use a few of Claude's key features so you can begin exploring it right away. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Claude AI. Once the homepage loads, look for the sign up button and click it. Claude makes it simple to get started, and you can sign in using your Google account or by entering your email address manually. If you choose Google, just follow the sign-in prompt and approve the login. If you decide to use email instead, Claude will send you a magic link to your inbox. Open your email, find that link, and click it to complete the login process. That link acts like your secure sign-in pass, so once you tap it, you'll be taken directly into your Claude account. After you're logged in, you're ready to start your first conversation. On the left-hand sidebar, click New Chat. This opens a fresh chat window where you can begin interacting with Claude from scratch. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the chat box. This is where you type your message, question, or prompt. You can ask Claude to help you brainstorm ideas, explain a topic, write content, summarize information, or help with everyday tasks. Once you've typed your message, press enter or click the send button to submit it. Claude will respond in just a moment, and from there you can continue the conversation naturally. You don't need to start over every time. Just keep asking follow-up questions, refining your request, or adding more details. That's one of the best ways to get better results from AI. Now let's look at a few useful features that can make Claude even more powerful. One of the biggest features is file upload. If you want Claude to analyze a PDF, review an image, or work with a document, click the plus button in the chat box to attach your file. Then upload your content and ask Claude what you want it to do. This is great for reading reports, extracting information, summarizing documents, or getting help with uploaded materials. Another helpful option is web search. If you need more current or real-time information, toggle web search on before sending your prompt. This allows Claude to look up information from the web and give you responses based on updated sources instead of only relying on its built-in knowledge. You can also try voice mode. Tap the sound wave icon if you want to talk to Claude hands-free instead of typing. This is especially useful if you're multitasking, brainstorming out loud, or just want a faster, more natural way to interact with the assistant. So to recap, getting started with Claude AI is simple. Create your account, start a new chat, type your questions, and then explore features like file uploads, web search, and voice mode as you become more comfortable. The more you use it, the more useful it becomes. If this guide helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step AI tutorials, beginner guides, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.